Welcome back here at Babylonstoren. Today I'm standing in our beautiful puff adder, just having a look at the beautiful flowers, the clivias from the McDowell and Billy Roux collections that we have on display. McDowell is one of the great clivia growers here in the Cape, part of the Cape Clivia Club, growing plants but also breeding some of his own. His own plants he then named after some of his family members. The plant here is a Clivia certantiflorus, which is a hybrid between a Clivia miniata and a Clivia nobilis, and then bred again on a Clivia miniata. And this plant is called JKD, and this plant was then named after his wife, Jill Douwer. It's one of those highlights to look at, a beautiful trumpet flower with a light salmon inside and a darker color on the outside with these slightly serrated leaves. Please come and join us here at Babylonstoren looking at these beautiful plants that we have on offer, to look at the beautiful flowers along the stream. Thank you for joining us here at Babylonstoren. I'm Brent.